I'm working on getting the head bolts off, slowly loosening each one. They were not very easy to get off. Fairly tight on there, so, and especially not having an edging stem, it moves around like a lot. So, and this is my first time tearing apart a Subaru engine. Never done it before. I just finished a 5-speed swap on my fiance's Forester, which was fun. Kind of wish I could have recorded that, but you know, you do as you do. So you're doing JZ now instead of SR?
Thinking about it, yeah.
Why? Oh, why is that one all dirty and the rest aren't? That might be where the head gasket blew out. On that side, or maybe the oil will rush there. I don't know.
Do you know what the problem is?
What?
Keen drove it.
He rally carded, I guess.
You rallied it too hard.
Finger licking good. Finger licking good. There you go. Here's the finger off. Got it? Holy shit!
Look at that piston!
What the fudge? Oh my god. Man, that's rough. Is the camera on? Yeah. Oh yeah, she's on. So the head gasket blew out in this corner right here. Pretty, like I don't even, there's not much left of it to be honest. Kind of hoping the head is still flat and straight so I can just slap another gasket on, but we'll have to find out. How bad is it? Holy shit. That's pretty delicious, hey? Let's see. Right in that corner? Yeah, she's pretty flat. And then you can see everything looks good. This corner's fine, this corner's fine, this corner's fine. And then standard Subaru blows out in this corner here. So, that's pretty gross.
Yeah.
Pistons look pretty nasty. I hope they're not too scrapped up in there, so. Oh, I see some right here. Look at that. Oh, that's just dirt. We're good. Well, let's find out what the other side looks like. Ready, Cole?
Yep.
You ready? Yep. So much better, hey, Cole?
Wow.
Oh, don't fall.
Oh, no, sure.
OH&S. Man, this is so much brighter. So much brighter. Like, I love it now. Hey, is it gonna act, do you need a strap maybe? I don't want that light to, remember the other one shattered?
Yeah, well,
yeah, welding is for losers.
probably just that one side that blew out.
Yeah, this side's not bad at all. Yeah. But replace and replace both, otherwise you're gonna have a fun time. And there's freaking dirt in there. There's dirt in it. Okay. Let's go clean these parts up.
Because our spare fingers are orange for Donald Trump.
Fucking Donald Trump life. Okay, we're gonna clean up the heads. I don't know, I don't have like a machinist tool, so I can't measure like the thickness of them on there, but they don't look too bad. So we're just gonna run with them. We're gonna use some razor blades. What is this? Gasket remover. And clean them up before we put them back on, so it shouldn't take too long. All the truck drips, hey? Bud, what's up? Think the brakes work on the ice?
No.
Oh shit. Oh, it's got traction control.
What's that? My truck doesn't have that.
No, I don't think mine has it. Do you think it does?
Oh.
Cole, what are we doing?
Going to Cantor to fuck some shit up.
Oh! So I think that's a wrap for tonight. About an hour, we had to run a clean tire. Basically I got the heads sort of cleaned up. I'm gonna actually take them inside and take them to the tub so I can give those a quick clean. But I kind of cleaned off the head. Next I'm gonna remove the water pump. I loosened off the bolts already. That shouldn't take too long. And then, yeah, that's about it. Pretty much put the heads back on, put everything back together, put all the gaskets on that I want, put the clutch on the back, which I have right here. Put the clutch on, because that thing's shot, and then, yeah, that's part one. I mean, it's a quick, easy job, so it'll be fun. All right, thanks. Goodbye.